Hey guys, Hamster Kombat has launched their daily combo campaign where you can earn 5 million coins for upgrading 3 lucky cards. So today I'll be showing you how to go about it and the best tips to use so you don't end up wasting your money. To participate in this daily combo, you must have chosen an exchange. So if you don't see an exchange here, tap on the option here to select an exchange. Tap on choose exchange and select any of the exchanges. Like I explained in my earlier video, you can check it out at the top of the screen. It doesn't matter what exchange you choose. The most important thing is that you choose an exchange. Choosing an exchange allows you to upgrade your cards in your mine section so you can earn hamster coins even when you're not using the bot. If you've already selected an exchange, switch to the mine tab by tapping on mine, and here you can see the daily combo. So to get this, you need to find out the 3 lucky cards, and today the 3 lucky cards are Legal Opinion, Special Hamster Conference, and IT Team. What you're expected to do is to upgrade to the next level on all of those cards to unlock your daily combo. Before I proceed, there's something very important you need to know. The daily combo is a 3 combo. If you're not careful, you will end up spending more than 5 million coins to get 5 million, which is being penny wise, pound foolish. So in my earlier video, I explained how to get the best deals on your mining cards. Okay, I've discovered that the fair rate for your deal is plus 0.006 profit per hour per Hamster Kombat coin you spend. Now this is what I mean. Here you see your profit per hour, which means how much Hamster Kombat coins you're earning per hour, and it ends after 3 hours. As you can see, my balance is increasing because it is earning for me. So for me, if my profit per hour is increasing by 0.006 coins for every Hamster Kombat coin I spend, that is a good deal. So how do you calculate that? You calculate that by using the profit per hour divided by the amount of coins I'll be spending to get that. So if I tap on KYC, so this means that my profit per hour will be increasing by 26 coins, but I'll be spending 33,000, and that is a very bad deal because if you check elsewhere, you will find lots of very good deals. So let's see what the rate for this is. So this is a measly 0.0007, which is more than 10 times below my acceptable rate. I won't buy this card unless it's part of a combo and the total is less than the amount I'll spend to get all the cards. Before you upgrade your cards for the daily combo, make sure you do your calculation to ensure you're not spending more than 5 million coins on the upgrade, because if you're spending more than 5 million coins, you are not gaining anything. Instead, you're losing. And if you're spending more than 5 million coins, it's most likely that you're getting bad deals on those cards, because those cards have been upgraded to a level where any upgrades wouldn't give any reasonable increase to your profit per hour. So in this case, before I upgrade, I'm going to check and see how much I'll be spending on the upgrades. So I check my Legal Opinion. To upgrade to the next level, I need to spend 42,000. Special Hamster Conference is under the Specials tab and it will cost me 799,000. And IT Team is under the PR and Team tab and it will cost me 161,000. So I'll be spending 1 million hamster coins to unlock these cards and get my 5,000 coins. So that's not a bad deal considering I'll be making a profit of 4,000 hamster coins. Assuming this wasn't for the daily combo, it would have been a bad deal for me because I've upgraded these cards to a point where any further upgrades won't give me any reasonable addition to my profit per hour. So the first card here I'll be upgrading is the IT Team, so I'll tap on it. Remember, it's under PR and Team tab, so switch to the PR and Team tab and scroll till you find IT Team. Tap on it, and in this case I'll be spending 161k. Tap on go ahead. And you can see, cool, my first card is ready. The next card will be the Special Hamster Conference, so I tap on Special tab and I scroll till I find the card. So remember, the name of the card will always be in bold, so I scroll till to see the Special Hamster Conference card, so I tap on it. This will cost me 799k. Tap on go ahead. The last card is Legal Opinion, which is on the Legal tab, so tap on Legal and tap on the Legal Opinion card. Cost about 42,000 to upgrade. Don't mind, go ahead, and now I have unlocked the daily combo. So I tap on take the price. Now I've gotten an extra 4 million coins to my balance. So that's how to participate in the daily combo. I'll be posting the daily combos as often as I can, so check out my channel regularly to see the daily combos. So make sure you're not overspending on the daily combos. I've shown you how to do your maths to see if you're getting a good deal or if you're just being ripped off. Some people may be wondering, how did you get this huge balance? Is it because you have so many referrals? And the answer is not because of referrals. Your referrals do not even add up to 5% of your total balance, because for each referral, you're getting 5,000 coins unless it's a premium user. So even if I have 100 referrals, I'll only be getting 500,000 coins. The secret to getting a huge balance is by utilizing your minds properly, using the method I explained in my earlier video and which I just explained now. So use your minds regularly and your profit per hour will be increasing such that in a day you may be earning over 10 million coins. If this video has helped you, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any issues, ask for help in my Telegram group. The link to the group is in the description. Join my Telegram channel for more Hamster Kombat updates, crypto airdrops, tips, tutorials, alphas, and earning opportunities. Remember, this is the season of Telegram airdrops and I don't want you to miss out on any of them. So check out the link in the description for some of the hottest Telegram airdrops. Sign up on any of them that you've not started with and claim your airdrops every day. So keep claiming your Hamster Kombat coins, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.